This is a beautiful little chapel. It's St John's Chapel Church in Appletreewick in the Yorkshire Dales. It's a lovely little place. They hold services here and it's so quaint. It's a nice ceiling, very plain. It's beautiful in here, so quiet.
All these pews are beautifully made in solid oak, absolutely gorgeous. And this one here is made in the same fashion, and it's got this finish on the surface called adze, made with an adze tool. Very not easy to do, but it absolutely is very elaborate. And on looking around and looking at the quality of this is adze as well, solid English oak. We find what we were looking for is the maker, and that's a mouse carved into the side, and that tells us that it's been made by a person called Robert Thompson. He's called the Mouseman, and this is Mouseman furniture. And all he did, and all his factory did many years ago, was make church furniture. And people said, why do you put the mouse on there? And he said, because we're all as poor as church mice. And as looking around in this church, beautiful church, we see these pieces here, and yes, they've got the mouse on too, yeah, with an early mouse carved on there as well, yeah. So there you go. What a beautiful little church in Appletreewick, where we now live. Absolutely superb. Quintessentially an English chapel. And again, closer inspection of the furniture in here, which is absolutely gorgeous. This table here, beautifully made. Needs some tender loving care though, and some polish probably. There's a mouse right there carved into the furniture, which tells me again, Robert Thompson.
The chapel building was originally 2 cottages, in one of which William Craven was reputed to have been born in 1548. They were combined and converted for ecclesiastical use under the rectorship and design of Canon W.J. Starvett. The cottages were given to him by the Craven family, to whom he was one-time chaplain.